Good day everyone. Learn how to remove virus from laptop. Whether you're using Windows 10, 7 or Windows 11, you can remove all types of viruses. So I use Google Chrome. So I will simply do a right click in the Chrome and I will open new incognito window. The reason why we are opening incognito is because if there are some issues with the browser, that will be lesser, and then you just need to search for Hitman Pro and hit enter. Once you search Hitman Pro, it's a very old and very popular malware removal which cleans viruses, trojans, keyloggers, ransomware, spyware. So it is a very good malware removal tool. So you just need to visit this hitmanpro.com, and once you're sure that this is the site, open it and then go with the free version, remove malware with Hitman Pro. So I'll just select free 30-day trial and I'll select download 64-bit. Just select download, and 13.6 MB file has been downloaded. I'll just try to open. I'll say yes, and here you will see a window like this where we need to click on next and next again. So it says, would you like to store a copy of the Hitman program on this computer? Then no, I want to perform a one-time scan to check this computer. So you need to select this, and if you want to register yourself, well and good, else simply click on next, and it is scanning your computer. So it might take some time to scan your computer, and then you just need to, it says we detected some internet browser running in the background, do you want to close? So you can say yes. So it will start looking for the tracking or anything which is not good in your computer. It will scan it, and it will not take much time, though it depends on the computer. So it took 2 minutes 5 seconds to scan the whole computer, though in my computer I do not have any identified threats. However, there are some traces like the tracking cookies. So I'll just click on next and this will be deleted. And again, I'll click on next and then I just have to close it. So we did a one-time scan, and once this is done, you can simply restart the computer. And one more thing you can do is to clear the cache or junk from the computer. And to do that, you need to do a right click, go to run and type clean mgr. I'll maximize it so that you can type it. CLEAN MGR. Clean MGR. And then click on OK. And select the drive, which is the C drive where the OS is installed. And click on OK. And then you can select all. If you want to clean recycle bin, you can do that. Select the temporary files. So you can see whatever the junk is going to be deleted. And we need to click on OK. This will remove the junk, and it will also make the PC faster. All right, so it took almost a minute to scan and clean. In your computer, it might take some time to clean the computer. So once this is done, you can simply restart the computer, and do let me know in the comment section whether this tutorial is helpful or not to remove viruses or any sort of malware. If it's helpful, please hit the like and subscribe, and do let me know in the comment section. I'll be glad if you do so. I'll see you in the next tutorial. Have a wonderful day.